What's up, Vedders? Patrick here with Vetted. Today, we're going to talk about 3I Atlas because the European Space Agency has just released some brand new images of this comet or maybe alien spaceship. And Vedders, please don't forget to hit that like button. That really helps out the videos. And of course, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and I really need your help. All right, Vedders, I worked really hard on this video, so please enjoy.
Right now, as we speak, 3I Atlas, an enormous glowing object the size of Manhattan, is speeding toward Earth on what appears to be a planned, coordinated trajectory.
Your letter to the United Nations about organizing a committee for them to develop a plan of what will they do if this object turns out to be an alien intelligence that we need to take seriously.
The intelligence agencies often prepare contingency plans for black swan events that might have a low probability, but when they happen, you want to be prepared.
That 3I Atlas, this strange interstellar visitor, is not just a comet, not just a frozen rock from another star system, but possibly some kind of alien technology.
I saw you post a few days ago about the WOW signal. Like, that stopped me in my tracks. Here's a quick explainer from our friends over at PBS about the mystery radio signal that was detected back in 1977. Watch this real fast.
Imagine seeing pages and pages of ones, maybe a 3, a 2 here and there, and then you see 6EQUJ5, right? That was why he said, wow, right? U is 30 times as strong as the noise in the background. Nothing was coming anywhere near that strong of a signal. It was kind of a surprise, right? The signal. And so the question was, did this come from some sort of extraterrestrial intelligence that was beaming out radio signals towards us?
Three Eye Atlas, as in, we know which direction it was coming from, and it seems to be coming from the same direction as the WOW signal. Is that right?
Yes, to within 9 degrees. On Sunday evening, I decided to check it out after a day full of interviews, and it turns out that the two directions of the WOW signal and 3I Atlas are aligned.
We have a question from the gentleman in the front.
Yes, my question is about the new Mars mission. What are the primary objectives?
Well, our primary objectives for the Mars...
On October 3rd, our ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter turned its eyes towards interstellar comet 3I Atlas as it passed close to Mars. 3I Atlas is an intruder from another star, tearing through our solar system on an unbound trajectory. At first glance, It looks like a comet, but its behavior is unsettlingly unique. Why the bizarre speed? Why the early, intense glow? Harvard's Avi Loeb suggests a radical possibility that this isn't a dead piece of space rock, but a derelict piece of technology. Three-Eye Atlas. Comet or aliens? All right, betters, I hope you enjoyed that video. I worked really hard on it. So I don't know, what do you think? I think the images are just not enough information, right? They're just like little blobs of something, right? It is performing unusual, and people are coming out and saying aliens, right? Especially Avi Loeb and Michio Kaku, as you saw in there as well. But definitely, I would say the majority of the scientific community believes this is just a comet, you know. But we may never know, and maybe we will know soon enough, because this thing is headed out of our solar system very soon, you know, by basically spring of 2026. So we have little time to figure out what this is. But if it does make some, you know, exotic movement or heads towards Earth, then we'll, you know. And of course, you know, that guy on Newsmax I showed at the beginning of that compilation, right? He's saying it's headed towards Earth. It's not headed towards Earth. Not even close. It's on the same trajectory. It's following the same trajectory. You know, it's doing things it should be doing, but there are some unusual things about it. But that could be just because it's an interstellar object. It's only the third one we've ever seen. That's what the 3I stands for in 3I Atlas, third interstellar object. Right? And we're going to be seeing a lot more of these. Atlas is the way that they can capture all of these interstellar objects. We're going to be seeing a lot of these, y'all. This is going to be a regular thing. We're going to be seeing way more interstellar objects. We'll learn more about them. And then these things, the way it acts won't be so unusual. With that said, there's always a possibility it's aliens. All right, betters, let me know what you think down in the comments. We'll see you guys on the next one. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Peace!
Hi, my name is Idris Lane, and I wanted to talk about my experience with them. When I was 16, I'm 31 years old right now, I saw a UAP within 50 to 100 yards from me. It was about the size of a Fiat. If you were to turn a Fiat into a white light and circular like a ball, a round ball. I saw it shoot up from the ground through some trees into the sky and slowly fly across the street into an open field between two houses, and it went out like a light that you would turn off on your desk. It did change color, which made me believe that that was how their engines started. And keep up the good work on messing with UAP.